What is a local SEO? Local SEO. Suppose you have a business that sells the car parts in your area, and your area is, let's say, Mumbai. Even in the Mumbai, it's a very small place, let's say Fort. So when you have a business of car parts, and then you are located, that business is located somewhere to the near to the fort, then you will optimize your website only for the fort area, and you will use the keywords like best car service parts near fort Mumbai, because fort can be any fort area in the world. If you use such a specific keywords that are only targeting to your local business, which is your car parts website, then that we call it as a local SEO. We are not targeting the global public, we are only targeting the public which is living near the Mumbai fort area. Thank you.